So you're publishing on KDP and you already know you're going to get paid royalties for every sale of your book, but Amazon wants to incentivize you to bring more people to the party, to drive more traffic to your books rather than just leaving up the books and having Amazon sell it for you. Enter the Amazon Associates program. It's legally double dipping. Sure, normally you sell a book and you're going to get 35% to 70% of every sale, and then Amazon keeps the rest. However, with Amazon Associates, you sell a book with a special link, you'll get the 35 to 70% royalty plus an additional percentage of each sale. And here's the beauty of it. Even if they don't buy your book or they buy anything else outside of your book, you're going to get a percentage of each one of those sales. Not bad, right? This is affiliate marketing, and essentially it works like this. If you like a brand, service, or product and you want to go ahead and promote it, and they will reward you for that in an affiliate marketing program. Customers get what they want, you get what they want, and Amazon's pretty darn happy that you brought some people to the party. Where do you set up an Amazon Associates account? Okay, so you're going to need to focus on your native region. So whether you're in the US, the UK, Canada, just go ahead and just Google it up. Amazon Associates plus the region that you're in, and you're going to need to go ahead and do the application process. It takes roughly about 15 minutes or so to fill out the full applications, and it can take upwards of about a week to 2 full weeks before they actually give you a full approval. But the nice thing is they're going to grant you temporary access until they have actually approved you. So you're going to go on over to Amazon, and you're going to see at the very top is what's called Site Stripe. It's a gray bar, and it actually will give you all of the product links that you can use for sharing. You don't want to use any of the other links like inside the URL bar. You're going to want to use what they have. Search your product. Select any link, whether text, image, text and image, and custom. Note, the embed options are intended for your website. We'll select text. Make sure it's set to short link, not full link. It just looks too messy. And then just go ahead and share away. Speaking of sharing, there's actually 2 social media share features in Twitter and Facebook inside SiteStripe. But that's not all. I'm going to get you to click the link in the top left to access your dashboard. Hover over View Reports and then select Earnings Report. Under Commissions, see what customers purchased through your link. And bounties. Now, bounties are like this. You get flat bonuses for sending people over to a specific offer that they have on there. And it's always revolving. You have things like the Kindle Unlimited membership, Audible memberships, Amazon Prime memberships, things like that. And it's significantly more that you're going to end up getting paid. Again, a flat fee that they give to you. Hover over Promotion, then select Amazon Bounty Program. Then see all bounties. Now keep in mind, these are time-sensitive deals and specials. So you're going to want to make sure that you browse through and get familiar with some of those things. If you're in KDP Select, might I recommend that you send your readers over to get set up with Kindle Unlimited with their free 30-day trial and sometimes a free 60-day trial. And the current bounty for sending new subscribers to Kindle Unlimited is $3. Not bad. They get a free month of reading your content, and you get paid a bounty. And here's the beauty of it. If they've checked that out in Kindle Unlimited, you're getting paid per page read. But hey, you can actually have multiple accounts in different regions. So you can go and get US, you can set up UK, you can do Canada. And as long as you're getting sales, they'll leave those things open. But you have all these links. What do you do with them? We're going to put them all together with what I like to call Genius Link. Genius Link, I actually got a 1010% return on investment. Find out more inside this video. I'll see you there.